JROTC was definitely something that I love. I love drill team. I love, first and foremost, when they told me I was able to travel anything that I can travel for free, I'm doing it.
Nice.
That was my main thing. It was, oh shit, I could travel with the drill team. I'm definitely becoming a part of this drill team. And I get to go to Lynchburg and go to fucking Ocean City and go to Virginia, go to these different places that everybody else is sitting home chilling. Nah, we having a good time. Y'all might look at it like, oh, well, y'all like it. I don't care. I like this shit. I like dressing up in these uniforms. I like that I'm able to put creases in my shit, like, because I'm that meticulous when it comes to my clothing and all that stuff. Especially more back then. Now I'm
your
like,
underwear have a crease?
It did back then. I swear to God it did. My underwears, my everything. Bro, my little brother's father threw away my bandana and thought I was in a fucking gang. Yo, I
remember that you telling me.
Yes. I had every color bandana in the world because there was $1 and I bought every color bandana to match all of my outfits. I sat there and I ironed every one the same exact way. It was folded the same exact way, everything. They was laid out. So all I got to do is just pick one up and put it on my head or put it on my wrist.